Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show OKX exchange deposit and withdrawal guide for the beginners. So if you wish to deposit or withdraw on OKX exchange, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you need to make sure that you have enough funds, and then to begin with, going to log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to the home page, and here go to asset. Started with the deposit steps. So if you wish to go ahead and deposit the amount or cryptocurrency, press deposit button. Moving on, you have to go ahead and verify your identity if you haven't. So in my case, I haven't done it, so I'm unable to show you the next steps. All you have to do is just go ahead and select the asset that you wish to deposit. Make sure that you've selected a secure platform from where you are actually depositing the amount, and enter in all of that details accordingly. Follow the prompt and you'll have successfully deposited the amount. And at the same time, if you wish to go ahead and withdraw the amount, first thing you have to make sure is you have enough funds. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and withdraw Bitcoin. So I'm going to press on this, and then you could go ahead and click the trade button, or you could also go ahead and go ahead and press the sell button next to it. Then you need to select the trading method or the network type and select sell. Then enter in the exact amount and click on the upgrade to trade. So that is how you could go ahead and withdraw your cryptos on OKX exchange. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.